Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Olivia Anita back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this prom look. You guys, I have never ever seen nobody do a prom look like this. So, girl, if you got a prom coming up and you have no idea how you want your makeup, this would be really cute for a prom look because for one, it's colorful. Like, who doesn't like a colorful prom look? Like, because usually people just always get like glitter and stuff like that, and this is a colorful look, and then it's green. So if you have like a black dress with like a little green in it, this look will be really good for that. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you like how this look came out. Also, you guys, everything that you guys will need to know will be down below in the description box. So let's just go ahead and get into the video.